Hello, lovely students. How are you all doing? You are welcome to our class for today. Last week, we discussed safety measure in an interactive way. I hope you understood the lesson and you were able to get a lot of tips from that video so that while we are using the internet, we should be very, very careful. In today's class, we are going to be discussing presentation package, the different types of presentation packages, the uses of presentation packages, and also the features of presentation package. What are presentation packages? Presentation packages are programs, softwares that allows text to be and images to be displayed in the form of a slideshow. Presentation packages has three major functions. The first one is a slideshow that displays the content, an editor that allows text to be inserted and manipulated, and also a method for inserting and manipulating images. A presentation package is a versatile package that allows users to use it in any way they fit without modification or any adjustments. We have different types of presentation softwares. Some of them are, we have Prezi, we have Vond, we have ZoShow, we have Google Slides, we have Keynote, Hakudek, a very interesting presentation software. We have SlideDog, Custom Show, Visme, and our very important one that all of us know, which is the PowerPoint, which is a very useful tool that we are going to be using. We have various features of presentation packages. I'm going to show you from a presentation package that I have done before. If we look at, we have the slides. The slides are the ones that contain text and graphic image pictures that we can edit and rotate at any point in time. We also have our design tools. Our design tools. In the design tool, we have various layouts that we can use to edit our work when we are doing our presentation. We also have transition. Now, our transition helps us to be able to bring how our slide comes out from one part, from one slide to the other. That's what we use our transition for. Our transition of different types. We have the fade, push up. Like if I'm going to play this one now that I have here. The way it moves out is what we have done. That's a transition part. The way your slide moves from one part to the other. The next feature we're going to be looking at is our animation effect. Our animation effect allows our text, how our text will be displayed or come out. We have three ways our text come out. Our entrance effect, our emphasis effect. In this part, it emphasizes a part of your text. And also our exit effect, how your text leaves your presentation. Now, I have a little animation here that I'm going to show you from what I have done before. Now, if you look at this part of my work, you see how my texts are coming in gradually, one by one. That is a part of my animation effect. That is, I put in an entrance effect on my package. You see the way the texts are coming out? That is an animation effect that I have made. Now, we also have our view, our slideshow. Our slideshow will help us to see how our presentation will look like when we are going to use it in the actual process. We can insert text and display it in any size and shape we want. Another feature is that we can also insert images. If you look at this, my graphic presentation that I have made, you discover that I have images on all of them. If you look at this one, I have text that I have inserted and formatted. Then I have my beautiful images. So you can actually insert your images and rotate it the way you want to. So presentation package is actually versatile for us to use and shape into the way that we want to. What are the various uses of presentation packages? Like we said before, presentation package can allow us to make presentation that we can use for teaching, that we can also use to copy and store, and we can also transport these things from one part to the other. So it is easier for us to carry our presentation package to anywhere that we want to use them. It allows us to use the 4 teaching tools, which are reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So presentation package encompasses all of these 4 tools in one project. So we see that it is a very important tool. Not only that, we can communicate message to a group of people easily through a presentation package. Another important use of a presentation package is that it helps both visual and audio learners absorb information easily. So we see that our presentation packages does a lot of things for us without us speaking too much or explaining too much. By seeing your presentation, a visual learner can absorb whatever he or she is learning and also listen to you while you are speaking. So it's easier for you to teach using a presentation package. I will encourage you all to get your presentation software ready for our practical class in our next lesson. So we are going to sit down and actually design a presentation package using our Microsoft presentation software. So at this point, I'm going to say bye.